Things that I always like to bring when we're going out on a hike or a trail, I always bring, I should have opened this bag first. Things that I always pack are my little case here, and this just has my finger pricker thing, my insulin, alcohol swabs, and needles, clean needles. So I'd make sure I have those 3 things. And then extra things that I'll bring are some dried fruit or medjool dates. That's what I have here. Sometimes I'll bring a granola bar depending on how long we're going to be out. Or I'll just have some fruit. So because both of us are going today, I'm bringing multiple snacks. So we can decide. I guess that's pretty much it that I have to bring. And then I'll just have like hair clips and our water bottle. Get hair out of your face. It feels so good. That's what I have to bring. Sugars, I have them at 155, which I'm happy with because we'll be going and doing quite a bit of walking and hiking, and that usually brings my sugars down. Yeah, that's it. So now we're ready to go.
I have to cut the strings 'cause this is hurting me. I don't know if I can cross that line where we become just friends.
I kind of like ginger, the sharp flavor.
So it's a lovely warming start to the day. And then I'll add some warming spices like cinnamon. And any leftover porridge, you just pop it.
Just
soup only made really like 2 meals because this is like a good portion and that's not a lot. So I'll probably have to eat something with that. But so after dinner, my blood sugars were 163, and I went ahead and had my little evening snack of banana, rice cakes, and peanut butter. My husband likes the same thing, but he uses chocolate chips. Anyway, then I used my Dexcom here just to show you my 12-hour day, that my blood sugar stayed in range. You can see how at the very right end, I am starting to dip a little bit, so I did end up having another snack. And other than that, just to show you that whole food, plant-based diet is really great for diabetes management, even if you have type 1 like myself. And other than that, you can check me out on my Instagram at I am Charlotte Faith. I post on there almost every day, pretty much every day. Who are we kidding? Also on Pinterest at Charlotte Faith, and then on my blog at fashionfaithfood.com. I hope you're having a really great day, and if no one's told you today, let me be the first one to say, I love you, you're beautiful. I'll see you next time. Bye.